Meteorologist Hermite City. It is Thursday's Weather Madness time. Here we go. Tropical depression is now in the Gulf of Mexico, as we've been talking about this week. And we've had some severe weather yesterday up here across the Northeast. A lot of places had severe weather yesterday. More today as this weak front tries to get on through. You can already see showers and thunderstorms from the lower Mississippi Valley all the way up into the northeastern part of the country. And then you got showers and thunderstorms heading up the Rocky Mountains too, and a couple out here in the Northern Plains. So active day coming up today for severe weather. In fact, yesterday, look at all the reports here in the eastern part of the country from northern New Jersey, the Poconos, all the way down through Philadelphia, down to Baltimore, Washington, as we talked about yesterday. It was going to be a rocking day with severe weather. And up here in New England today, they're probably going to extend this slight risk, I think, more down like this today, is my guess. Okay. So, be prepared. Heavy thunderstorms, a lot of wind, a lot of heavy rain coming in with the storms there. And then tomorrow, things start to head down to the Carolinas. We'll take that off there. And then Saturday, we're up in the Northern Plains. Yes, tomorrow, we're up in the Northern Plains as well with severe weather. So that's what's going to happen with that. Let's head over to the satellite picture. Here's our tropical depression right now heading over here. There's a slight chance it's going to make a tropical storm as it heads over to the Gulf Coast. Probably going to go inland somewhere around Corpus Christi here in about a day or so. And then you can see our front pretty good this morning, going from New England down. And then you can see this sort of monsoonal flow, as we call it, coming up into the Rocky Mountains that kick off the daily thunderstorms that you have to deal with. Let's see, what I want to show next. Here is Gonzalo. It's going to head over toward the Windward Islands and then head on through that way. And could become a hurricane here the next day or so as it does so, and we'll have to keep an eye on it. It looks like the GFS model is trying to bring it into the Yucatan and into the Gulf of Mexico in about 10 days or so. So we'll keep an eye on that, see what happens there. I haven't looked at the European this morning. I know I forgot to look at the European this morning, but anyway, it has it coming up into this area here in about 10 days or so. But certainly the Windward Islands are going to take a hit with the storm coming through. And let's see here, what do we do here? There you go. And you can see it this morning. A lot of convection around it this morning, and it's still in an area of good development. Alrighty, there's the computer models. Alright, there's our tropical depression. They're ramping it up to a tropical storm before it makes landfall around Corpus Christi here on Saturday. So folks along the Gulf Coast need to watch it. I think this is going to be primarily a rainmaker for South Texas, San Antonio, Austin, all the way down to almost to Brownsville, but certainly a lot of rain. And it heads over to Mexico and kind of dies out over the mountains. So they're going to ramp it up. The intensity models, the majority of them keep it as a depression coming in. A few of them do have it as a tropical storm in the ship model, which is always the the ship model, which is always the ship model. How's it going out there? Nah, not made for television. All right, here's the GFS today for tomorrow morning. You can see it's over here, and again, the leftover showers and thunderstorms up in this area. So I told you already, a nasty day for severe weather up here across the northeastern part of the country. A lot of wind problems. By Saturday afternoon, it's inland around San Antonio, and then by let's see here, this is Sunday. What's left of it's over here, over toward just south of the Big Bend. And from much of the country on Sunday, not a lot going on, some showers and thunderstorms here, but a lot of heat once again coming up. And the heat gets put on, man, just keeps coming in. Yeah, I know, a lot of people are going, man, it's just been a hot summer for all of us. It has been. You know? Jeez. I have to start thinking about winter time soon, right? Alright, that's it for now. Meteorologist Hermrick City.